Welcome back to AI Plus More, where we explore the latest innovations in artificial intelligence and beyond. Today, we have an exciting review of a powerful AI text-to-video tool that makes waves in the content creation world, Fliki. If you're a content creator, podcaster, or digital marketer, this tool might just revolutionize the way you produce videos and podcasts. Let's dive in. Fliki is back with features that streamline the content creation process. One of its standout features is its simplicity. Creating professional videos is effortless. It takes less than 5 minutes. Beginners and editing experts alike will find Fliki's user interface intuitive and easy to navigate. Now let's take a closer look at how Fliki works. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to convert a blog article into an engaging video. Extensive library of over 900 options. Whether you're looking for a smooth Kenyan man, a sultry Australian accent, or a British voiceover, Fliki has it all. Now, here's a handy feature for perfectionists. Sometimes AI-generated voices need a little tweaking to sound just right. With Fliki, you can easily adjust pronunciation, pitch, speech rate, and more. It's the ultimate tool for customizing your voiceovers. So we'll start here at the homepage of Fliki. Click on Start for free. We'll go with Continue with Google. After creating our account, we'll be greeted with this. We can create a new file. Let's call it How To. This is how the main editor looks. We can see here a button to download, button to convert. We can start our videos from here, a tweet to video, PowerPoint to video, blog to video, and idea to video. Let's start with idea. Let's go with how to start a company. Short, around 1 minute. We can do a explainer and submit. Generating video may take up to 1 minute. Imagine how long it would take you to do it manually. Here our file says process successfully, and it's generating our scenes.
How to start a company. Are you dreaming of launching your own venture? First, identify your passion and the market need it can fill.
So that's amazing. Let's see how much we can edit. We can add a layer. We can choose background audio. That feels... I think that's for another type of video. Now we've loaded up that song and we can change the voiceover. We can check out this. Let's see.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content.
Let's try Christopher.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using...
Let's go with Jacob, and we can choose apply this voice to all the voiceovers. So you can have different voiceovers in different parts of the video if that's what you want. Maybe for a testimonial type of video, that would be really interesting. We can change the text from how to start a company. We'll do how to start the next big company. Go to a random scene and change the media. That looks good. Let's see how this looks.
How to start the next big company. Are you dreaming of launching your own venture?
You can already see the captions are already generated. We have an option to auto pick the media, and let's go with a new idea. We have our first how to. Let's create a new how to. So we'll try another way of creating video here at Fliki. In the settings, you can change if you want audio or add video. We can change the aspect ratio. Let's do this one, portrait for social media. A fade effect between scenes and enable zoom effect for images. Gap between scenes and seconds, that's a pretty good gap. Let's try 0 just so we can do quicker edits. And we'll go with blog to video. I found this article on how to do homemade pickles. I thought that would be interesting to see what it comes up with. So I'm just gonna paste the link here and submit. So we can see the auto-generated video that came out of that article. We can see that it's a little longer.
Easy homemade pickles. Homemade dill pickles are simple, easy, and delicious. Perfect for burgers, snacking, and more.
See this would be an example of a scene that I wouldn't particularly want, but luckily we can change that. We can change each different scene. Type in burger. I don't like the caption on caption, so we can change that later, but it's good for an example.
Optional sweetener to balance the tanginess.
That sweetener part, it's also kind of a weird clip, so we can change that. We can see there's so many options. Some of them are locked for paid users. I would say that's a perfect kind of video for an easygoing song. That's good, let's try that out.
Easy homemade pickles. Homemade dill pickles are
That's perfect. We can change the speed. We can go to the pronunciation map if there's any specific words that we don't like. For example, if we didn't like a specific word, like
yummy,
into this.
yammy.
So this wouldn't change our captions, but it would change how it's pronounced. There's also the auto-generate next scene, which is a paid version. You can do a custom duration in seconds. Let's see, we can do it 2 seconds long.
Homemade dill pickles are simple, easy, and delicious. Tangy,
good.
refreshing.
That's good, so we didn't have that pause at the end. Finishing up, and we can edit our layout. We can change where the scenes are, we can change where the player is, and we can customize more. And after you're done with your video, you can go straight to download. When you click on download, you'll need to export the video. It'll ask you if you're satisfied. We click on yes, and we'll wait just a bit. And just a minute later, we got a notice that it exported, so we can download the file. We can see it here.
Easy homemade pickles. Homemade dill pickles are simple, easy, and delicious. Tangy, refreshing, and crisp with garden fresh flavor. Made with vinegar, fresh dill, garlic, and basic seasonings.
Now you can create a video or audio of your blog with multiple levels of summarizations. Just enter your URL and select the level. Fliki will extract the content and also populate the media based on the context of each section. Fliki also adds background music based on the category of your blog article. You can reach a global audience by converting audio and video into more than 75 languages. To translate any audio or video file, click on the More button and select the language you want to translate into. You can preview and make further edits as required and export the file. There's interactive subtitles. You can add a flair to your videos. You can choose between displaying subtitles word by word, by phrase, or displaying a whole subtitle text. Use the video settings button to change the subtitle display type. You can manually set the duration of each scene in the video. This will enable you to have control over timelines more easily. You can move files and folders, so you can keep your Fliki generated content organized inside the platform. Also, listen to this. Now you can monitor the progress of your exports right inside the browser. Once the content is exported, you'll automatically receive an email and browser notifications, so you can start publishing as soon as the content is out of the oven. A quick mention on other capabilities of the Fliki platform. Now they have public pages for podcasts and audiobooks. This is huge. They bring you public pages for showcasing your work to the rest of the world. Don't worry about making it look sleek. They got you covered. Do try them out and start showcasing your work. Also, quick shout out to the pronunciation editor, a cool update that lets you add the pronunciation maps for words such as names and acronyms to make it appear more natural when the speech is turned into audio. And don't forget that these websites have huge libraries of millions of images, video clips, and background music that they use to create your videos, but you can select it manually, so you'll never run out of selecting the right visuals to go along with your scene. Fliki gives you the option to select subtitles with your brand color and font options. With so many pros, we have to talk about the cons of Fliki. No software is perfect, and what would a review be without a little nitpicking? The word credit limit seems low. Unless you're on the premium plan, you may feel a little restricted with the word credit limits if you're a power user. If you're like me, you're going to be doing a ton of testing and tweaking to learn the software, how it works, and what voices work for your best needs. So a pro tip, instead of pressing the play button on each section, just highlight the parts you want to hear and click pronounce. It will play without using your credits every time you tweak it. Then when you're satisfied, you can press the play button and only use that amount of credits. You could be blowing through your free 500 credits. So for the big question, is Fliki worth it? My verdict is Fliki is 100% worth your money if you're looking to generate audio and video from text with AI. Not only is it incredibly effective, but it is quick to get up and running with your next video, podcast, or audiobook. This isn't just any old text-to-speech software like what's been around for the last 20 years already. This is the new hot stuff that will be taking over businesses by storm. With less than it would cost to purchase a high-quality microphone, you could create hundreds of videos to elevate your brand. Now, let's talk about pricing. While Fliki offers a free tier with 500 credits per month, professional content creators may want to explore the paid plans for additional features and higher video quality. We'll dive deeper into each plan and help you choose the best fit for your needs. Here we can see the 4 plans that Fliki offers. The free has 5 minutes of audio and video content per month. You get low-res videos at HD, that means 720 pixels at low res. You get 300 limited voices, 75 languages, and over 100 dialects. Also, every video contains the Fliki watermark. Moving on, there's the basic at $6 a month, paid annually. You get 120 minutes, 900 voices. You can translate the audio to 75 languages. You get a commercial license and audios of length up to 15 minutes. Then there's the standard, the most popular one, 180 minutes of video and audio per month. Full HD 1080 videos of up to 15 minutes, millions of premium images, video clips and music assets, and no watermark. That costs $21 a month. And lastly, at a steeper price at $66 a month, you get the premium version. 600 minutes of audio/video per month, videos of up to 30 minutes, voice cloning, 150 plus ultra realistic voices, API access, and dedicated account manager. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of Fliki, the AI text-to-video tool that's transforming content creation. Thank you for joining us on AI Plus More today. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exciting AI innovations, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI and beyond. Here, AI Plus More. See you soon.